first thing you want to do is find the best lawyer nearby, the best lawyer you can find who operates in Marin County and does DUI law, and specifically someone who does just DUI law. Once you've done that, then, a decision that you will get to make down the road is whether you want to accept a plea deal if your attorney cannot find a way to make the case go away. If we can't get the DA, the district attorney's office in Marin County, to dismiss the case, then your choices are going to be either jury trial or taking the best negotiated plea that we can get for you. With a plea deal, a lot of times what we're talking about is a case, especially if you have a lower alcohol level or there's some issues in the case, where the DA will reduce the charge to what's called a wet reckless. One of the biggest advantages to taking a wet reckless instead of a regular DUI is the penalty. And we're talking about a fine, which is half as much. You're usually saving about at least $1,000. And also the probation period. When you're on probation for a DUI, one of the conditions is no alcohol in your system when you're driving. That's nothing. When you're driving, nothing measurable for 3 years. If you get a wet reckless because of a plea deal, that condition of probation will only last for 1 year, because a wet reckless probation is only 1 year in most cases. That's what it's supposed to be. So those are a couple of differences. Also, if you do not accept a plea deal in Marin County and you go to a jury trial, you are looking at potentially a stiffer penalty if you get convicted of a DUI, and that could mean a longer sentence. So that's something where, in the more extreme cases, if a judge thinks that, maybe you testified in the trial and thinks that you were not being completely honest with the jury, they could punish you. Does it happen very often? No. Have we seen it happen? Unfortunately, yes. So there are advantages to taking a plea deal. And there's a lot more than that. What I would recommend is give me a call, give me an email, give me a text, reach out, and we can talk more about it if you're wondering what's best for your situation, or just generally how Marin County DUI cases work, plea deals work, how to find, the best DUI attorney you can in Marin County.